Hello, now I will show you how to remove the AirPod cushions and what's inside these JBL Quantum 300 gaming headphones. To remove the AirPods, you need a flat tool. Insert this tool between the AirPod base and the headphone housing and pry the AirPod away from the headphone body. The AirPods are held in place by several plastic hooks. Then, using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew all the screws. But be careful, because the speaker magnet can pull the screws inside and damage the speaker cone. Open the air cup slowly, so you don't break the wires. As you can see, inside there are two boards, one for the incoming wires and volume control, and the second one for the microphone. If you want to see the incoming wires wiring diagram, unscrew the volume control board. As you can see, green is left side plus, blue is ground for both left and right, red is right plus, gold is mic minus, white is mic plus. I hope this short video helps solve your problem. Good luck with your repair.